Okay, it's a special occasion. Maybe it's New Year's Eve, maybe it's an anniversary or a special birthday and you're having a party and you want to serve margaritas, but you want to kind of dress them up a little bit. I'm going to show you how to make a champagne margarita. Now, it's really very easy and it will knock the socks off of your guests. But you got to start with some decent ingredients here. So I'm going to start with a cupful of fresh squeezed lime juice, and I will tell you it needs to be fresh squeezed. That means you squeeze it because that's when it's going to have the brightest, most wonderful, uplifting flavor. So that's going to go into my pitcher here. And then I'm going to put in a cupful of Cointreau. Now you could use other orange liqueurs for this, and I have, but I will also say that it doesn't come out what I would say is nearly as good. And so I'm a believer in splurging on the Cointreau. A cupful of that. This is each thing is 1 cup here. Then I'm going to put in Blanco tequila, the brightest flavored tequila that you can have. And I'm going to use one that is 100% agave for sure. I'm a firm believer in 100% agave because it captures all of the flavor of the agave. And then that mixture has to get chilled. That'll take at least an hour. I'm going to take it over here to the refrigerator. Okay, it's party time now. We've got chilled base. I've got this beautiful bottle of champagne. Maybe champagne is not exactly what you're thinking about using here. I will tell you, having made this with different kinds of sparkling wine, that kind of within a range, the better the sparkling wine, the more enjoyable the final drink will be. So you take off the foil and then you take the wire cage off the top of it. My standard is to hold it with a towel like this, and then rather than turning the top, I turn the bottom. I turn the bottle here and I feel it coming out, and then when it pops like that, I'm firmly holding everything together. And in case there's any spillage, you've got your towel right there. Now we got to prepare the glasses. I'm using the classic champagne flute here. Just rub cut lime around the top of it like that, and then upend it into some coarse salt. You don't have to do this, but I actually think it tastes better. There are people who are cringing right now thinking that I'm going to put salt with this beautiful champagne, but it actually works. Now, this is a 6-ounce glass, and I'm gonna pour 3 ounces halfway up of our chilled margarita base. And then we will top that off with sparkling wine, champagne if it's a really special occasion. You have to pour this slowly, and this will make enough for 8 beautiful drinks. So you can invite a group of 8 over and say to them, "Salud."